boys and girls. Welcome. I am so glad you joined me today in my art room. Today I want to show you how to make a puzzle out of a picture. You can use any picture, but I have chosen a picture of a craft item that I did a while back of a turkey. And I'm going to turn him into a puzzle. You can use whatever picture you have available. A family picture of you and your grandmother, or your mom and dad, or your favorite animal, like your dog or a cat. And we will turn that into a puzzle. Are you ready? Well, let's get started. Okay, boys and girls, welcome back. Well, let's get started on making our personal puzzle. So we will need a picture of your choice. You will need some craft sticks. You will need a glue stick, some painter's tape, and an X-Acto knife. The supplies will be listed over here. Let's get started. Line up your craft sticks, the size of your puzzle. The size of your picture. Let's see, is that all I need? No, let's do one more, just to be on the safe side. Okay, line them all up. Now this is where we're going to use the painter's tape. So tear you off a little bit. And I'm going to line them up as best you can. Okay. Let that dry and then come back. Okay, good job. Now that your project is completely dry, let's flip it over and remove the tape. Now for the next step, you want to make sure that you have supervision when using an X-Acto knife, because it can be very sharp if you're not careful. Now you want to follow along in between the craft sticks and cut into your puzzle pieces. Okay, now you have all your pieces. You just toss them on the table, turn them over, and put it together. Here we go. Let's put it together. What goes first? Always, there's our head and our eyes. Our beak. Our legs and our feet. Yay! Good job! What a fun way to create a personalized puzzle. And then you can have lots of fun putting everybody's puzzle together. What good family fun. Boys and girls, thank you for joining me today. And remember, art is creating something as unique and wonderful as you are. Until next time, bye.